Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to prevent unwanted translations from specific languages on the Telegram app for PC. This new update makes it much easier to control which languages get translated automatically, helping you keep conversations clear and exactly how you want them. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top left corner of your screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu where you can access the different features and settings. Next, scroll down and click on Settings. From there, select Language. This is where the new options are located, and where we'll be making the adjustments. Inside the language settings, you'll see an option called Show Translate button. Make sure this option is enabled. By turning this on, Telegram will display a quick translate button under messages written in different languages. But what we really want is to control which languages should not be translated. To do that, click on Do Not Translate. This will open a list of available languages. Now choose the languages you don't want Telegram to translate for you. For example, if you understand English, Spanish, or another language comfortably, simply select them here so that Telegram won't offer translation every time you receive a message in those languages. Once you've selected the languages you want to exclude from translation, click on Save. This will apply the changes immediately. From now on, Telegram will only offer translations for the languages you did not choose, keeping your chats less cluttered and more personalized. So, just to recap, open your Telegram app, go to the menu with the three lines, head into Settings, then Language, enable the Show Translate button, pick the languages under Do Not Translate, and save your choices. That's it. Very simple, but really useful. And that's how you can prevent automatic translation from specific languages on the Telegram PC app with the new update. It's a small change, but it gives you more control over your messages and makes your chats much smoother.